Hello everyone. Warm welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. Yaje here with another gardening video. In today's video, I will be talking about a common mistake that I see people continue to make that are costing them their transplants. What I'm talking about is the process of safely transitioning their transplants from indoor plants to outdoor plants. Guys, transplants are not used to the sun's UV rays when they have been started and grown indoors or in a greenhouse. They have to go through a process that is referred to as hardening off. This is you trying to get your transplants used to the outdoor environment, and this happens over a period of days. In this video, I'm going to use an example to demonstrate to you how to safely carry out that hardening of process, but it's something that you absolutely have to be aware of if you are starting seeds indoors. You have to go through this process, because if you don't, you might just end up putting all of your hard work to waste. This was the first ugu that germinated. It has not seen the outdoors, and so if I just take it and put it in the garden as is, it might not survive, because the temperature in here indoors is different from the temperature outdoors. The amount of sunlight it is getting from this window is different from the amount of sunlight, both in the intensity of the sunlight and the fact that in here the UV rays it is receiving is very reduced. Plus, indoors, your starts, including ugu seeds, don't get wind, right? So when you take it outside, you get wind, you get UV rays, and you get more intense heat. So if we just take it one day and then put it in the ground outdoors, chances are it might not make it. So we have to do it gradually. This process is referred to as hardening off. So we are making the ugu get used to the outdoor temperature one step at a time, and that's what I will break down for you in this video. I have my ugu outdoors now. As you can see, it is sitting in the shade. This is the first day I am introducing my plants to the elements. That is UV rays, sunlight, and then some wind. So I need to be very gentle with them. That is why it is sitting in a shaded area. I'm going to leave it out here for today for only half an hour. I'm not taking any chances. So it's sitting in the shade for 30 minutes, and then I'll take them back indoors. Tomorrow, I will bring them out again for 1 hour and see how they do. And then I keep increasing the time until I can leave them outdoors completely, when they have completely hardened off. It's day 2 of hardening of my fluted pumpkins. Today I brought them right under the sun, but it's in the evening. It's around 5 p.m. in the evening. I'm gonna leave them out here today for 1 hour, take them back indoors, and then tomorrow I will bring them out for 2 hours in the morning. It's day 6. I've been leaving the fluted pumpkin outdoors now. It's looking good, as you can see. It's looking very good, but this area is semi-shaded. It's not completely exposed to the sun, but at this point I think my ugu is safe to go in the garden, directly in the garden, in ground. It is fully hardened off, in my opinion. So it took about 7 days.